So guys, we're back in the beautiful city of Nairobi, the city of dignity, hope and opportunity. As Lion Pride Adventures, we always pride ourselves to be the home for African safaris. And right now, we're in the month of July, the month of the Great Wildebeest Migration, that is the greatest nature show on earth. We just finished our Tanzanian series, and the animals are actually very close, near to the Masai Mara. So guys, if you want to come and explore this beautiful migration, don't forget to book with us, lionprideadventures@gmail.com. Send us a DM, our socials are right here. And here's a short video to see where I left the animals in the Serengeti.